Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video everyone. As you know, this is my 8th video, third last video of today on 6th December 2024. Let's start it without wasting your time. As you know, this is just a new adventure story where you learn something special, okay? Let's start without wasting your time. So just imagine this, okay? Just imagine, but get positive and lessons from this, okay? Just let's start. Have you ever dreamed of escaping the world's most exclusive beach resorts? Today, we are diving into that dream with a twist, exploring these paradises through the lens sorry for that through the lens of adventure and learning, inspired by none other than MrBeast. Imagine stepping onto the pristine sands of a private island resort where luxury meets nature in perfect harmony. These exclusive beach resorts are not just about lavish amenities. They offer profound lessons about sustainability, cultural appreciation, and the importance of preserving our planet. At places like the Maldives or Bora Bora. What is Bora Bora? What you're from? Bora Bora, guys. So must write in the comments, okay? Then let's make fun. You will find eco-friendly initiatives that perfect marine life and promote responsible tourism. These resorts teach us that luxury does not have to come at the expense of our environment. Instead, it can be a catalyst for positive change. But it's not just about relaxation. Engaging with local cultures is another vital lesson from these exclusive sports, from savoring traditional cuisine to participating in local crafts. These uh, these experiences enrich our understanding of the world. They remind us that every corner of the globe has its own unique story to tell. And let's not forget the thrill of adventure, whether it's snorkeling in crystal clear waters or exploring hidden caves. What you know? What is the number one hidden cave in the world? If you know, so must write in the comments, okay, if you want. Otherwise, I can explain about it to you in the comments, okay. These resorts offer exhilarating. What is resorts? What is resorts? Can you understand this word, okay? If you don't understand it, so must paste your question mark in the comments, then I will tell you. Exhilarating activities that push us out of our comfort zones. Each adventure teaches us resilience and adaptability, qualities we can apply in our everyday lives. So as we explore these exclusive beach resorts, let's carry forward the lessons they offer, embracing sustainability, celebrating diversity, and seeking adventure in every moment, okay? Next time you think about a getaway, remember it's about just about where you go, but what you learn along the way. So pack your bags and let's explore. Bye for now. Subscribe for more.